Ngayon guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa ating SSS. Paano natin tanggalin yung dati nating bank account na nakaregister dito sa ating SSS. Halimbawa, hindi na active yung nakaregister dati na bank account. At naman guys, gusto natin siyang palitan ng ibang bank account. So make sure lang guys na meron na kayong account dito sa my.sss kasi dito natin siya gagawin. Yung pagre-remove ng bank account. So una guys, ilagin natin yung ating account. Ilagay natin yung ating user ID saka yung password natin. Ito yung official dashboard natin sa SSS. Isa sa mga tab sa taas, hanapin natin yung services. Then select natin dito guys yung disbursement account. Ito siya. I-check lang natin itong I certified that. Then proceed. Makikita natin dito yung nakaregister na bank account dito sa kabilang side. So may nakalagay dito guys na deactivated. So gawin lang natin guys, i-click lang natin itong deactivated. Review disbursement account information. You're about to deactivate your disbursement account below. This disbursement account will be permanently removed, can no longer be re-enrolled in the future. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-re-enroll in the future, itong bank account na to. So, gawin natin guys, click natin itong proceed. Disbursement account deactivation. Kindly check your email to continue the deactivation of your enrolled bank account details, mobile number. Please also check your spam or junk mail folder if the email notification is not in your inbox. So, click natin itong close. I-check natin dun sa ating email guys kung nandun na yung notification from SSS. So meron tayong natanggap na notification from SSS. So automated reply po ito guys ni SSS. Disbursement account deactivation confirmation. Please click here to deactivate your bank account details, mobile number below. So kailangan guys i-click natin itong click here para ma-continue yung process ng pag-deactivate natin ng ating bank account. Click here. And guys, pinapalagin tayo ulit dito sa login dashboard ng SSS. Ayan, so since na-click na natin yon, yung click here dun sa email ni SSS kanina, then dito sa notification sa gilid guys, may nakalagay na disbursement account, you currently have pending request to deactivate your disbursement account that requires confirmation. So click natin tong take action. Please review active disbursement account to be deactivated. So click natin tong deactivated. Pero kung magbabago yung isip nyo guys, pwede nyo naman siya i-cancel. So click natin tong deactivated. And then click natin yung proceed. We have successfully deactivated your PesoNet account details to SSS on August 25, 2026. So screenshot natin to guys para may reference pa rin tayo. Click natin yung close. So yung disbursement account natin kanina, so nakalagay na dito guys, you do not have active disbursement account yet. Ibig sabihin successful na yung pag-remove natin ng ating disbursement account dito sa SSS. Ayun guys, ganoon natin i-remove yung ating bank account na nakaregister dito sa ating disbursement account na hindi na active. Sana guys nakatulong yung ating tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan ka guys, pwede nyo comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Maraming salamat guys. See you next time. Bye. God bless.